Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And it's time for another fun-filled episode of...
The Chocolate Break.
Yeah, that. So it's the Easter time.
Easter.
Easter.
Yep.
Yeah. And with Easter comes the rabbit.
Yes.
The egg.
Yes.
And...
a lot of candy.
Santa.
No.
In a pink outfit.
No.
With a fuzzy tail.
No.
Well, do you have Easter?
I have Easter candy.
Well...
or Easter chocolate.
Are you in the spirit of Easter?
No, but I'm in the spirit of chocolate.
I like ham. Can we have ham? A small ham?
A small ham.
Some scalloped potatoes. That sounds good. I'd eat scalloped potatoes and ham for Easter.
Yeah.
Maybe some rolls. You know, the rolls symbolize bread. So...
they symbolize bread.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the candy symbolizes
Easter.
the chocolate break.
Easter.
The chocolate break is Easter.
Easter.
Easter was founded by the chocolate break.
Easter.
You get the paper towel.
Thank you. Should have been prepared.
Ceremonious paper towel of love and devotion. What do you have to bring forth to the tasting table?
Guess we'll do this one first, since the one I like the least.
Wow. That's a Reeses Rabbit.
A wabbit.
Do it.
It's got a pretty yellow bow.
Do it. I'll eat that. Oh boy. This is a tough one to start out with because this is heavy.
Yeah, but we don't have to eat all of it.
Yeah, we don't have to. Not right now. Not right now.
It's a cute little bunny.
Not for long. Bifurcate its head. Why couldn't it be made of a real rabbit? Why couldn't, when you chop it, it could have a little sound?
Like what?
I don't know.
Whatever sound a bunny makes.
That's the noise they scream, don't they?
And the lambs, Clarice.
Screaming of the lambs. How about a toast to the screaming of rabbits? Cheers. Elegant design, flavorful to the max. Wonderful Reese's peanut butter enrobed in chocolate, but it makes me drool like there's no...
It's not because you're old and you need a bib.
I've always needed a bib. It's not about being old. 5 stars. You?
I'm actually going to give this one a 2. And that is purely because the amount of chocolate is so much greater than in a regular Reese's, any whatever you have it.
It's different chocolate, too.
It is.
Very sweet.
Yes. So I'm actually going to give that a 2.
That's high praise for something with peanut butter.
It really is, since I really don't like Reese's stuff.
All right. Very good.
Next.
Since you love Easter and Reese's items, a Reese item. What is it called? Mellow melon?
Mallow cup. Mallow top.
Mallow top.
Like marshmallow.
A marshmallow.
Oh, I got the marsh, just the mallow.
Do you want a whole one? Or a half?
Doesn't matter.
They smell absolutely hideous. They're pretty ripe. I'm very curious about the innards of these. I think a knifing would be. Wow, they are strong. They kind of smell like.
Why would the inside be different? It's
just
just
the cross, the vivisectioning of the.
But it's just the top that has marshmallow.
Down the middle for me, please. I will eat the whole thing. I want our viewers at home who have the home game be able to see the beauty. There you go. I should do them one at a time to keep it with the correctness. Cheers. Your thoughts?
There's nothing about that says marshmallow.
I would say there's absolutely nothing redeeming in that. It overwhelms any enjoyment I could possibly have of the peanut butter element. And it tastes like shit. 0. I'd give that a negative if I could. It tastes like some kind of chemical, like petroleum byproduct flavoring.
It
Big
tastes
0.
the way like a vanilla candle smells.
Yeah. Which one was that? We had one before that. It was much like that. That we really hated.
I don't remember, but that wasn't very good at all.
Mm-mm.
I don't like regular Reese's, and I don't like that, and that's definitely a 0.
It reminds me of like the flavoring of a cereal, but in the wrong texture. I don't know. I really don't like that. In the pooper.
Okay.
Perhaps the next one's a little better.
We'll see.
Yeah. What you got? What you got?
I need a clean napkin.
Ah, yes. After the soiling of
Yes.
that by that
Can't
poor
start
product.
anything new in filth.
I feel soiled by that. Oh,
I can't hardly see because your head's in the way either.
I've got a big head.
Okay, well that makes it more difficult then.
Ah, what did you bring?
A Russell Stover
Mmm.
caramel bunny. It's caramel but covered in milk chocolate if you read what it says. Caramel covered in milk chocolate.
Caramel is a flavorful thing. We've had some butter caramel that's been absolutely outstanding.
And we've had some that is not good.
Which is what this will be. I'm guessing this will not have any butteriness to it, any warmth to it.
It's just gonna be a cute little bunny.
And a lot of noisy packaging. I think we can guess since it has the name. Oh, you've got a gooper. Gooper.
You got the super gooper piece.
Okay.
You don't have to. You can have
I'll
the
take-
clean goopy piece.
I don't. I'll make a mess either way. Cheers.
Cheers.
Weren't we talking a few episodes ago about the whole concept of slave-free chocolate? I think one fell into this batch.
Is that what that is?
This is horrible. It's sad. This evokes sadness, loneliness. Someone sitting, an old spinster, Alone. Trapped.
God.
Somebody comes over, here, I've got a nice Easter basket, and they just want to leave. They don't want to hang out. She's just sitting there. It's like, oh, I made some cookies. Oh, no, I already ate. I've got to get. Okay, bye. And she's just sitting there rocking in her chair going, why won't they stay? I guess I'll eat the bunny. But it won't make her happy. 0.
I'll give 1.
Ooh.
Not the worst thing I've ever had. But it's not good.
Generosity.
Feeling a little generous. It is Easter.
Yeah. Well, for the final morsel of our holiday treat set, we have a York Peppermint Bunny Rabbit.
Yerk.
I really, really like York Peppermint patties. I also appreciate a junior mint.
But that's heavy. That feels like a lot of bunny.
And this feels like a loaf of rabbit.
Does it say how much it weighs?
5 ounces, 141 grams. I gotta say, I really like the graphic on this. This seems really old school, kind of going along with the whole York thing. What? Isn't this how you open things?
No.
It's Easter. It's how you open things on Easter.
With violence. It doesn't have a cute bunny face.
It doesn't have a face at all. Let's take it out of its protective shell.
Smells
Wow.
so minty.
Feel the weight on that thing.
York peppermint patties are heavy though. This thing's gonna be so minty fresh.
Oh my god. Oh, like farting like there's no Ooh, that smells good.
I was gonna say at least it'll be minty.
I don't think it works that way, but
Yeah.
we can hope.
If only it did.
I was talking to our friend Stumpy earlier and going like, you know, if the internet is a beautiful thing, and what if you had to go to this party, like you had to go, but you totally didn't want to go?
I wouldn't go.
Well, you had to.
I don't have to.
You have to.
Or else what?
You'll lose everything. Your fingertips will be burned. You'll get COVID, and you'll live in a fart cloud for the rest of your days. Now it doesn't. Now you want to go there, but you want. you don't want to go there, but you have to go there, but you want to leave as soon as possible. So I'm wondering if somebody has like posted with a scenario like that. Well, maybe not as horrible. On the internet, like, pose the question, what can I eat that will make my fart smell so bad people will want me to get out of their house? I'll bet you if you look it up on the internet, you will find an answer to that.
So what will make my fart smell absolutely horrible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might be worth a
Or even
trying.
just in general, why do my farts smell so horrible?
Well, it's fermentation, but wow, that is minty fresh. So fresh and so clean. Cheers. I think what I like about York peppermint patties is that super, super thin layer of chocolate, and this is like much thicker. Like way thicker, and I don't know that I like that.
You have to slice it in really, really thin pieces then.
I guess that still the ratio would be off. I have to say it's less. It smells like marshmallow, weird thing, and peanut butter, and mint.
It should make it if you just eat that, maybe, so you don't have to brush your teeth for a week.
Ever. That's a lot of peppermint oil. And it has something in it called PGPR, which I'm guessing the PG is propylene glycol, because that texture there definitely has part of that to it, food grade. Propylene glycol polyresin, pyrethrin reprobation, propylene glycol peanut redonculation. I don't know. I'll give that a 1.5 out of 5. I'm just like really bummed out because it's like the peppermint patty, the little ones are perfect. This is
Out of control.
too much of a good thing.
I feel like I should be able to see my breath.
And honestly, it's not that minty, really. I don't think.
We eat a whole bunch of it, though. It's like,
I could eat the rest of that.
that's disgusting. You'd be so sick.
No, not
You'd be
me.
pooping and pooping and pooping.
Yeah, that's.
That would definitely give you the poops.
Yeah, it probably would. That's a lot of peppermint oil.
That's like eating a bunch of toothpaste.
You know, it'd be worse if it were like spearmint flavored.
No, that's bad enough how it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I give it a 1.5. You?
I said 1. I think I said 1. If
Oh,
not, I was
1.
thinking 1.
1.
1.
All right. Well, what are you having for Easter? Tell us in the comments below. Or perhaps tell us what you had for Easter if you're watching this late. Do you like the Easter? You shouldn't. You know, there's countless bunnies who have their eggs stolen from them every year. It's a tragic event that happens. It's not funny. It's not funny.
I'm crying.
See what you've done? Enjoy your goddamn Easter. Goodbye.
Don't take the egg.